you.
I can't afford me anymore, Huey.
Nobody's kicking you out. You can still stay with me.
Huey, I really have to stand on my own 2 feet right now.
Okay. Okay. Hello? Roma, how would I know where Ray is?
Ray? What's going on with Ray?
Hold on one second.
Thanks. Roma? Hi. It's Molly.
Miss Gunn, I know that you've been let go, but is there any chance that you've seen my daughter today? Are you sure? Ray didn't come home from school, and she's been missing ever since. I thought that she might have... If you hear from her, just please let me know.
Huey, talk to her.